How to turn on or turn off contacts, importance, details in Samsung calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on calendar app. Now here, so click on this three line icon and click on this settings icon. Now in calendar settings, scroll down and click on default alert times. So after click on default alerts time, so you will see contacts importance data is here. So if you want to turn on contacts important dates, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see contacts important dates is turn on. So if you want to turn off contacts importance dates, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see contact importance dates is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off contacts important dates from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off contacts importance dates in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.